Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics. I am Fem and today we are going to be learning how to add and subtract money in Naira and Kobo. See you at the end of the class. Cheers. Okay, so here we are with the problem. Like I said, we are going to be doing addition of money. And here in this question, we have add 88 kobo plus 75 kobo. Now, these two amounts are in kobo, so we write the small letter k here to stand for kobo, and then we write 8875. Make sure that the last digit of 88 and the last digit of 75 are aligned, while the first digit of 88 and the first digit of 75 are also aligned. So what do we have when we add 8 plus 5? Yes, our answer is 13. So we write down our 3 and we carry 1. Now, 8 plus 7 is 15. Now 15 plus the 1 we carried is 16, so we write down 6 and we carry 1 over. There is no number to add to 1, so we write down 1. So our answer is 163 kobo. Of course, we can leave our answer as 163 kobo, or we could change it into naira. Do you remember how to change from kobo to naira? Of course, the first thing, we write our naira sign, then we write the digits 1, 6, and 3, and then we count 2 digits from the right, 1, 2, and put our dot. So the answer is 1 naira 63 kobo. Good. Let's move on to the next. Here we have two problems. The first one, we are told to add 17 naira 80 kobo to 2 naira 15 kobo. First thing you do is arrange the points to be in a straight line, okay? So 17.80, 2 points directly under the first point, 1, 5, and our answer also, its point is going to be on the same straight line with the point of the question. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 2 is also 9. And 1, we bring it down since there's nothing to add to it. We bring down our naira sign. Our answer is 19 naira 95 kobo. Let's move on to here. Here we have add 90 naira 0 kobo to 45 naira 75 kobo. Alright, again, we arrange all the points to be in a straight line, okay, even the point of the answer, okay. Then we arrange every other thing accordingly in relation to the point. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. We write down 3 and we carry 1. There is nothing to add to the 1, so we bring it down. So we bring down our naira sign. Our answer is 135 naira 75 kobo. Okay, good. Now let's move on to the next. All right, here we have a slightly different question from the one we've been doing. It involves addition, but it requires us to think. Now, list 3 different ways of making 10 naira. Okay, 3 different ways we can add up money to give us 10 naira. Okay, I can think of 5 naira plus 5 naira. So I write it down. Remember, when we're writing naira, we put our sign first. So 5 naira plus 5 naira, when added, is going to give us 10 naira. Okay, also 6 naira plus 4 naira, when added, would also give us 10 naira. And finally, 3 naira plus 7 naira, when added, is going to give us 10 naira. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, sorry for that movement. All right, so we have add 63 naira 54 kobo to 42 naira 42 kobo. Again, first things first, after you've written your naira signs for the first number, the first amount, the second amount, and your answer, ensure that all the points are on a straight line. Okay, so what do we have? 4 plus 2 would give us 6. 5 plus 4 would give us 9. 3 plus 2 would give us 5. While 6 plus 4 would give us 10. We write 0 and we take 1 over. Now 1 has nothing to add to it, so we bring it down here. Our answer is 105 naira 96 kobo. Now let's move on to subtraction of money. How do we subtract money? Before you start subtracting, it is very important that you arrange your digits properly. It is very important that you arrange your digits properly. Okay, so let's arrange our digits. Okay, now 36 naira 28 kobo minus 15 naira 16 kobo. Or this question can still be read as subtract 15 naira 16 kobo from 36 naira 28 kobo. Okay, the word that follows the word from is usually the first when we are subtracting. Okay, so subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Okay, so quickly we've arranged our points to be in a straight line. Okay, and we've written our currency. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 21 naira 12 kobo. Now let's move on to the next. Either 75 naira 53 kobo minus 64 naira 42 kobo, or this can be read as find what we get when we subtract 64 naira 42 kobo from 75 naira 53 kobo. Remember, I said the word that follows the word from is usually the first in subtraction, and it is the bigger number. So let's go arrange all the points on the same straight line. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 again is 1. And 7 minus 6 is 1. Quite simple. So the answer is 11 naira 11 kobo. Alright, now let's take 2 more and we'll be done with the lesson. Now here we have arrange and subtract 233 naira 58 kobo minus 221 naira 3 kobo. Again, when we want to arrange, the first thing we write is our point for the first number. Directly under it should be our point for the second number. Directly under it should be our point for our answer. Of course, we've written our currencies on the left-hand side. Okay, write your minus. Now, you now write 233 before the points, and under the 2, since there are 3 digits in both numbers, under the 2 you write the first digit here, under the 3 you write the second digit here, and under the 3 you write the third digit here. before the decimal point. First digit after the decimal point here is 5, so you write it after the decimal point. First digit after the decimal point here is 0, so you write it after the decimal point. And then the last digits respectively are 8 and 3. So you write 8 above 3 and 3 under 8. Now we can subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 0 is also 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, there is no point in writing the 0 since it has no value. So our answer is 12 naira 55 kobo. And then finally, arrange and subtract 849 naira 68 kobo minus 258 naira 45 kobo. Again, first things first, you write your currency naira, naira, naira for the first amount, for the second amount, and for the answer. Next, you write the points for the first amount, the points for the second amount, and the points for the answer. Next, you arrange digits. There are 3 digits before the decimal point, so 849. There are also 3 digits before this decimal point, so 2, which is the first digit here, goes under 8. 5, the second digit, goes under the second digit for the first number, and 8, which is the third digit for the second number, goes under the third digit for the first number. After the decimal point, the first digit is 6 here, the first digit is 4 here, so 4 goes under 6, while the last digit for this amount is 8, and the last digit for this amount is 5, so 8 goes above 5, and 5 goes under 8. Now we can subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 5 cannot, okay, you can't get a bigger number from a smaller number, so we move to the left and we take 1 from 8, leaving us with 7. That 1 crosses over and becomes 10. Now 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 5 now is possible, and it's going to give us 9, while the remaining 7 minus 2 is going to give us 5. So our answer is 591 naira 23 kobo. Now I hope we've learned a lot from these workings, and I'm going to see you soon. Whew. Now that was a workout. That was a super interesting class, wasn't it? Don't you agree? Yes, I know you worked your sweat off, and so did I. Now keep practicing these additions and subtractions of money on your own. When you watch this video another time, make sure you pause between the workings, work it on your own, and then play it to see if you got the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching the video up until the end. I remain Ofem, and goodbye. See you next time. Keep practicing and keep getting better. Bye.